and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. We are on a Christmas Fansells Friday today. I have a special diamond painting and I have a couple of Christmas crafty type paintings. So I'm going to start with the diamond painting first. You may see it is not your traditional colour. But it is gorgeous nonetheless. So this is a partial special diamond painting that wants me to take the diamonds out first, but hey ho. It is down as a 30 by 30 painting. Do I even have my tape measure in here anymore? Yes, I do. I've just managed to hide it. It's probably around 25. Yeah, just short of 25 centimetres by, again, just short of 25, depending on how closely I'm measuring it. But it's definitely just under 25 by 25. So this one is a gorgeous pink tree. You do get 12 different diamonds with this. They're not all the small rhinestones. There is some sort of special ones in there. There are a few different designs that are available, but I thought this one was rather sweet. So this is a pink Christmas tree, but sort of with the big flowers. You can see all the different flowers in here, but then sort of the big ones going up the tree. We've got the little tree skirt down here tucked underneath, but then there's branches coming off. So you do get a basic toolkit with it. It's a mixture of rhinestone diamonds, but then there are also some extra ones as well. So we of course have some beautiful pinks in here. We've got like a bronzy, yellowy, orangey type of colour. Does that make sense? Orangey, yellowy, bronzy. This one is like a really deep olive green. Then we have a couple more shades of pink. We have some more that's sort of a very, very pale green. It's hard to tell because of the silver back and the way they turn, but that is a pale green. We have some gorgeous pink. These are like those little buttons that are always on little babies' cardigans. Then we have some bronze colour sort of teardrop shapes. We have two different sizes of your pink leaf-shaped diamonds, some big yellow ones for in the middle. They go in the middle of these ones, and then you do get two big pearl white ones for going for your letter F. So a few different styles of diamonds there to make up this picture. So it's not like a full-on Christmas green colour. It's more of a subtle bronzy, olivey, greeny colour. I'm liking the Y's on the end. So yeah, I thought that was quite a nice little special one. And then going on the Christmas theme, I picked a couple of items that are sort of craft items, whether to be done with somebody else or just for you on your own. First one is some Christmas cards. So there are 4 different designs of Christmas trees. These are more your traditional style trees, but they have gorgeous printed backgrounds. So this will go into the card once you fold that, of course, in half. This again uses different size sort of rhinestones, special shapes. This is your tree number 2. Then we have tree number 3, and finally tree number 4. Now these do come as, while they come as a set, they are actually separate, or your diamonds are separate. So this number is relevant. So if we look at this one, this is number 18. which means we want the one that says HK018. In this one, oh look, we have those big red flower ones that go on here. We also have, they are some very pretty snowflakes. I wasn't going to open all of these, but I need to see these snowflakes. Look at those. They're like pearlized snowflakes. And they go over each of those. Number 5. They're beautiful. So you could do these as a full set for yourself. There's the big red flowers. Or you could do them with friends, each having your own individual diamonds. We have some round white AB ones, some green rhinestones. They're also green, just a bit darker, a little bit of gold in that one. This one is number 20. So this one also has those gorgeous pearlized snowflakes, in that go around the edges. We've got green, we've got yellow, we've got some red dots where we've got number 5. We also have some yellow stars where we have number 4 with stars. We have stars. We also have rhinestones in a matching colour, which is actually the number 1 that threads round like twinkle lights, and then you have stars dotted about as well. Then this one is number 17. This one has some little white ABs. We have some bigger pink circles, some orange circles. We have yellow stars, and we have some of those gorgeous snowflakes. They're tucked underneath. They're really nice, those snowflakes. They're pearlized. Do these have them as well? They do. So nobody has to fight over the snowflakes, okay? They all have snowflakes. But then we have some more gorgeous yellow stars, some big yellow baubles. You only need 1, but you do get 2. Some beautiful little gold baubles and red ones to decorate your pretty tree. So we have 4 different cards. I say they all come with the envelopes, albeit one of them isn't the cleanest. But they all come with their own individual diamonds for this one. I don't know if that is the case for all sets. I can only speak about this set, that they come with individual. But it is nice to know, especially if you are planning on doing something like this with friends. It can be something that if somebody doesn't get to finish it, they can take home their bits and pieces. And they're not pinching diamonds off anybody else. So that is one Christmas craft. And then the lovely coasters is the next Christmas craft. So yes, there are loads of coasters. Let me get rid of the packaging. As I've said before, don't think of these as just coasters. You can pop magnets on the back. You can use them as coasters. You can hang them as Christmas decorations. There are so many things you can do with them if you think just a little bit outside the box. You do get a toolkit, but look at these little paw print Santa hats. These are all the same, so they are exactly the same. Oh no, sorry, there's 2 different colourings. But other than that, they are paw prints with Santa hats. So if you want a festive style tree with paw prints, you could do these as decorations that scatter throughout the tree. You could do these as gifts, so you could get some sort of longer piece of wood that you maybe put a pet's name on and pop one of these on. You could of course use them as coasters. This would be a good potential family activity, so everybody doing the same sort of thing at the same sort of time. But you do get 10 in this set, so you get quite a few. It's got a nice little tartan print on the paw print, and then you've got the red hat. There is an outline. I'll have a look at what that number is in a minute, but then you do colour in the red and the white. But to look what it, number 4 is black. So there is a black outline that goes around this that you fill in with black diamonds. Other than that, it is your very simple colours. So we have your red, which is on either one. The red is your Santa hats. Number 2, which is this sort of off yellow colour, that is the back part of your paw print. Then we have silver, or clear, which is your white. It's like a clear, in fact it's like a, has that actually got a hint of blue in it, or is it just the way the light's shining? No, it's just the way the light's shining. It's the way the light's shining off this packaging. It is the silver or the clear. So it looks silver because of your silver backing. Otherwise it's clear, and that's the sparkle that you will put on the hat, and then in this case it's the centre of your spot. So this one is a mixture of the silver and the black to make the paw print, and this one is a mixture of the red and the black to make the paw print, and then you have your blacks for your outline. But I just thought they were adorable, so I picked those. But there are absolutely loads and loads of Christmas craft items, whether you want something to do as a family activity, whether you just want more decor around your home, just make those other little touches Christmas worthy maybe, or whether you want them for gifts and things like that. There are loads and loads of different ideas where you can join your hobby with your present giving as well. But as I say, don't think of these as just being coasters. They can be so much more, though they can be coasters as well. So I'll pop a link down below to each of these items that I've chosen, but do have a browse of their Christmas things, because there are more and more getting added to the site all the time, and there really are some beautiful things. But thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these so that I can share them with you all. And thank you, as always, to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.